Writing Welsh Fever on a manual typewriter, relying mainly on back copies of Ninnau and Edrych in days before the internet, served two functions. One, it gave me an opportunity to crystallize the experience of the recent tour. Two, it taught me that telling a non-fiction story obliges the narrator to be a responsible witness. I began to conclude that the stories of Wales that I'd been given when growing up, midway between Swansea and Cardiff, were lacking in many ways. The multitude of stories I'd heard and participated in when traveling around North America were only a partial correction. The next step would be a return to Wales, where, with each step taken, I realized that issues of identity can rarely be resolved, but are rather a process of reconciliation and even conflict between cultural and personal forces. Linguistic, political, social, domestic, acceptance, even denial.